In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple budget tracker using a template in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, automated budget you can update in minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your work saves automatically. At the top right, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets to head into Google Sheets. On the Sheets homepage, click the blank option to open a new spreadsheet. We're only using this blank file as a quick doorway to the templates. Once the spreadsheet opens, go to the top left and select File. In that menu, hover over New, then choose From Template Gallery. This opens a collection of ready-made spreadsheets designed to save you time. Find and click the monthly budget template. Google will create a copy for you. You'll see a polished layout with pre-built categories, totals, and charts. Everything saves automatically to your drive, and the formulas are already wired up, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. Now you can use this template right away. On the main summary sheet, adjust the income section first. Enter your expected take-home pay for the month and any additional income sources you rely on. Then review the expense categories. Update the planned amounts so they reflect your real life: housing, transportation, groceries, subscriptions, whatever applies to you. If a category name doesn't fit, you can simply edit the text in that cell. Just try not to delete the totals or any cells with formulas. That's what keeps the dashboard updating automatically. As the month goes on, you'll record what actually happens. There is also a sheet for transactions, typically listed as a separate tab along the bottom. Open it and add a new row for each purchase or income event. Fill in the date, a short description, choose the matching category, and enter the amount. If the template includes a type or category dropdown, use it so your entry aligns with the summary categories. Consistency here makes the charts and totals accurate with no extra work. As you add transactions, return to the summary sheet to see planned versus actual amounts update in real time. If your spending changes, tweak the planned numbers to keep your budget realistic. That's it. From the Apps Launcher, open Sheets, create a blank file, go to File, New, from Template Gallery, choose Monthly Budget, then customize your income and expenses, and log transactions as you go. Keep it up weekly, and your budget will stay clear, current, and useful.